Here's your disclaimer. Pause the video, read this. By watching this content, you acknowledge and accept these risks. This morning, I'll show you my process in the morning for the pre-market and then just give you a quick demonstration of the live trade. So every morning I start off with TC2000. It's the scanner I use. If you like the setup, Pradeep Bondi's Stock B, he teaches you the best scanning tools possible. No one teaches you better how to find stocks. Remember, the whole purpose of Trade Factory AI is whatever scanners you use in the morning, that's what works. I'm just giving you a quick demonstration. So don't get caught up that you don't use TC2000 and that you might have to learn TC2000. None of this matters, and you start seeing later on. But just trust me so far. My next step is to open up ChatGPT. ChatGPT does a lot better job at looking at the charts and finding support and resistance. That's why I like using it. Not only that, it interprets my voice a lot better. This morning, though, I did them both at the same time because I was running short on time. But usually I would just give the voice prompt into ChatGPT and then I would copy and paste it. But you can see, if you want to pause the video, you can look at it a little more, see what I say. And then here's just a quick demonstration. I'll go slow. If there's any part of this that you want, just pause the video. But you can see the prompt that I gave ChatGPT. And what else I do is I take those screenshots. When I'm going through TC2000, I'm taking screenshots and I'm saving it in a folder called Premarket. And then I upload those photos into ChatGPT. And you'll see after this that I upload it into Claude. And also I paste what ChatGPT gives me, and I upload that into Claude. But the overall, Claude is the master designer of my pre-market plan, which is key. But you can see it's looking at each one and it's giving me some ideas of what to do. So here's what ChatGPT gave me, and now we'll go to Claude. Now see here, you can look at how Claude interprets your voice. Now, I'm not the clearest speaker in the world. I know that. Now, here's what I uploaded to Claude. You can see the charts at top, but you can also look at the prompt. That's from using the microphone, talking into it. And you can see the difference between Claude and ChatGPT. When I say ChatGPT and Claude, it says checkup trees, and the other is CHPT. And that's why I like ChatGPT for the language interpretation. It just does a better job. But eventually Claude does figure it out, even though it doesn't transcribe it right. But here's what it starts giving me. So Claude takes all that, the prompt, the charts, the news, and builds the full pre-market plan. Catalyst, setup, trade, in that order every time. Now you're looking at the Word document. And this document today is 30 pages long. Don't get overwhelmed. This is a document you basically speed read. You're skimming through it. It's not to be memorized. It's a reference you can come back to at different times of the day. I give it a few stocks. I give it an idea of the market, and it tunes it in. It even tells me which stocks aren't a good idea and why. Now, this is just my setup. We are all different traders. The most important part of this whole system is it adapts to you. You can build your own pre-market template. I'm just giving you mine to get you started. To give you an idea of what's possible from there. You can create your own and make it yours. But as you can see through here, mine is very detailed, has a psychology mindset, has a situational awareness of what I want to look for, it tells me where liquidity traps are, the market environment, optimal trades for the day. And then it starts giving me the chart analysis of what to do. Now I'm speed reading through this. I'm kind of just glancing through there, looking through the middle, looking at each area. The purpose of it is so I can refer back to it later. I have a general idea in my head by reading it, but each individual ticker, and it ranks it on the best trades, the best setups. The purpose of it is for you to start seeing what you can do to become a better trader. I'm going to give a quick demonstration of how my live trade works. You might have kind of missed the move, but I'll give you a general idea. QQQ broke above the pre-market high. It's above the 90 EMA. It's ever since 10 o'clock, it broke above It's had a little small consolidation and broke above, so it's a good hitchhiker trade. So this would be the first wave right here. Um, Pulling back, but it's being bought so far. Buyers are stepping in at 698.42, 45. So people are trying to take profits, but the buyers are still holding it. See if they're still holding above 698.40. Buyers coming in there, it's above 698.50. Should go right now, but it's slowly trending higher. Buyers are coming in. There is a seller at 698. We're going to have people getting out because it's losing momentum. It's going to take profit. There it goes, 698.40. The buyer's going to hold it. Yeah, they held it. Back above 698.50. So we're getting a rebid here. There still are people taking profit here, though, which is good. This is very healthy. So if it goes here, I'm going to go long. I'm going to call. So my stop would be right below the 698 because the pre-market high is around 698.10. That would be my stop. I would buy a 700 call, 0 DTE. So if it breaks above the 698.60 on volume and holds, then I'm going to go long with the stop below pre-market high. So here's the playback.
Green light. Break above 698.60 on volume. Stop below 698.00. Check for strike 700Z $1.28 OTM from 698.72 ATR supports the move.
I'd like to show another demonstration of the live trade. QQQ is at the 90 EMA. Again, it's doing a little consolidation right below 700. What are your thoughts on that? If I took a 0 DTE today and a 701 call, what do you feel about the volatility and the delta and everything else in Apple? Repeat what you said with Apple, because I was thinking about if I would want to take a call on Apple, it would probably be a 292.5 call that expires tomorrow, or should I take one that's further out of the money because the delta be a little bit lower? What are your thoughts on that? What are your thoughts on both trades? I think QQQ is just consolidating, so it's in no man's land right now, and it's not a good trade. But if I should take, if it's the break above 700, which call should I take? Which option? Would a 701 or 702 be better for today, or is that too far out of the money? Or should I take if it breaks below on volume, should I buy the dip because of the market structure now? Or should I wait till it, wait, confirmation, take a backside, maybe a backside to 697.5 where VWAP is? And if so, if I bought a put, would I try to, would it be better strike, the 698 strike? Give me a advise on the deltas and the gamuts. Which one's a better play?
I'll give you strike guidance based on price and ATR only. 702Z is $2 OTM needs a bigger move to pay. 701Z is your strike if it breaks 700.
All right, that's the pitch. If any of this hit home for you, here's what to do. Hit like. It tells YouTube this kind of content matters. And it costs you exactly 1 second. No money, just 1 second of your time. Subscribe. By subscribing, you will be notified when new videos come out. I've got around 75 videos coming. I'm going to roll them out as fast as I can. I'm going to try for 3 videos a week, but I can't promise you that. And most important, comment. Tell me what you want to ship first. The scanner, the matrix, the pre-market walkthrough, the coach. Tell me and I'll prioritize.